the occupancy Corte Inglés area for January 2nd is now over. So there's now the third day of this movie of Valencia Centre to be fair. And now here we are dropping onto Valencia City Station once again. Yeah, hey, another day of the Valencia Centre, which is like I said. But yeah, so now here we are dropping off, and this time we only ride the line 7 train. But the, and w- but I did, but not just to film 3 days. They live at Angel Timber Underground Station. I know I shouldn't film. I did film them 2 days, but not 3. So now, so now this time we rode line 7 to Manchester area because there was a line 1 to Seminary Zero and we ran for it and we missed it. So that, so that's why we rode this time line. So yeah. Oh well, so let's just get to the metro train ride.
I think we just missed it. Damn it. Oof. Bailén.
Pròxima parada, Sant Isidre. Connexió amb l'estació de Vic. Próxima parada, Santana.
This is not going so good.
Próxima parada, Padres. Correspondanse amb les línies 1 i 2.
Next one is yours. This is only saying so this button doesn't work. No.
moderno Valencia.
And now to the first lift of January 3rd, which is the platform lift at Bailén Underground Station.
Now this train's gonna go. And now I Bailén Underground Station into the next lift. This one is a really nice ThyssenKrupp lift. Someone just left an energetic drink can. Because they're even unresponsible. Minus one, get off. Yeah. And now let's buy the escalators. I'm gonna buy the escalators. It's not gonna be that. They're not gonna be that long. Yep. These types of escalators can also be found in the M4 shopping centre. But they're really much older than these. These are made in 2005 and the M4 ones are made in 2003. And now to the next lift. This takes a while to start up.
Vestíbulo.
Ghetto, brown. The indicator's glitched. They need to fix that.
The next lift is the street lift at Xàtiva Underground Station.
I think that really narrows down the shit from the Xàtiva Underground Station lift. But I don't know. But I do not know. I hope so. Sure.
Bueno, tú tienes unos en casa, ¿no?
And now it's Xàtiva Underground Station into the next lift. This used to be a really old ThyssenKrupp lift, but it's been replaced 2 years ago. Yeah.
Esto se sube. Pero aquí.
Ascensor bajando. Planta -1.
This lift is not that much really more spooky
Ascensor abriendo
than
puerta.
like I would ever thought.
Ascensor subiendo. Planta 0.
This new lift looks really posh. There goes. This building has really nice office and lifts, but I don't know. I shouldn't ride it because it's a private building. And now to be EcoDisc in Primark. Let's go. Let's go up to one first of all. Don't get off, it's one. This lift is very nice. I have no such wonder why EcoDiscs are so amazing. I know it's by the escalators. I think we were right at the lips again.
Habrá mensajes de frente. Se puede sentir ofendida.
The next lip is another new ThyssenKrupp lip, but this time it's found in the United Colors of benneton near the Media Market Point.
I think yes, it is. I haven't been in here now. The lip I hadn't really been in here in a while. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Has this really been made in 2014? Because the first time I've entered here was in 2017.
Ascensor abriendo puertas. Ascensor cerrando puertas. Ascensor bajando. Ascensor abriendo puertas.
Yeah.
Sala de camisas, joder. Es que son...
This much stores that are really closing down. I don't know why.
Todo lo gestiona con el hotel de Sola.
It's a really posh hotel, and we left it.
They managed to take the lift in H&M in the Valencia Center to go up, so yeah, now we take it down. So the lift there is a nice ThyssenKrupp lift. Wait, it's actually kind of generic because it's just an absolutely weird design of ThyssenKrupp lift. It has Shanghai STEP buttons and a generic indicator, which looks like type 90s or 2000s.
So I'm going to try the reader. This lip is just a ThyssenKrupp. Looks like generic.
Este sale al otro. Es el mismo, ¿no?
Yeah. I know. It has rear door. That's front door. Just two sets of doors. was made in 2007.
Planta 0.
And now here we enter Corte Inglés of Benton, or should I say, Corte Inglés fashion building? No. Close by the lifts. And now to where there's a Corte Inglés of fashion building, which is Otis 2000s. Damn it. I see this leaf is right here, let's call it up. Woo! A lift for us. Let's ride it. Doors closing. Fifth floor. Doors opening. There comes lift 2. And now to the Otis 2000 hydraulic. So what? I'll be right back. Doors closing. Sixth floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. This thing was made in 1995. So that's the reason why they may have modded these 07 design. I don't know until why now they are just 2000. Doors opening. What at least they didn't do is that they replaced the indicator on the 6th floor. And now to the escalators.
This time the train spotting on Cone Underground Station was a mayhem because they recorded a lot of trains this time. So anyways, you were now going downwards to the Cone Underground Station and here was start the train mayhem.
Connexió amb l'estació del Nord d'Avic.
Estamos.
Vaya.
Pròxima parada, Jesús. Connexió amb l'estació Joaquim Sorolla d'Avic. Correspondència amb les línies 1 i 2.
There's a tutorial area.
Pròxima parada, Santrenat. Pròxima parada, Sant Isidre. Connexió amb l'estació d'Adí. Valencia Sud, ferrocarrils de la Generalitat Valenciana.
It's now the end of all of the Metro Valencia rides you've seen in this movie. But it's now January 4th, and this is the day my dad started work after Christmas, after his winter break. And this afternoon I went with my aunt and my grandma, and of course my 7-year-old cousin, which I know this was recorded back in January, before he turned 6. Before he turned 6 on March 2nd. So we went to the Grand Tourism and watch him screw up. So his body is there with some nice old ThyssenKrupp list from 1993.
I know I've really been into this Grand Tour shopping centre for a long time. I know it's by the lifts.
¿Y qué le pasa a esto con la puñetera parroquia?
Eso me lo decía a mí en casa del tío. That's a prank call from his. That's a Simpsons but Simpsons prank call.
Se transforma en inglés.
Yo me meto en
¿Qué haces, tío? Joder, nada, tienes que pasarte por donde pasa las manos todo el mundo. Uf, tío, de verdad. A ti lo del COVID no... Ahora que se te quede un poquito al pie fuera de casa y que se te quede enganchado, tío, ¿vale?
This shopping centre is so grotty and it's so much stores that are closed down. The escalators, for some reason, they aren't even working. At least some of the travelator sections they do. The rough travelators work. These are really nice travelators, but it's like we all know. They're in right with both lifts. I went to my own and yeah, so much shit. It's gonna be coming. This is coming back coming like a Corte shopping center. Look what they have done. They gave you the shopping center sadly closed down. Even one of my childhood stores is sadly closed down as well. This is so pathetic. Nothing. You can't even see how it looks like. It's closed down. Wow, pathetic of them. I'm really not sure because I'm running out of battery right now. Even this toy store is closed down as well. How pathetic. There's so much stores that have even closed down for absolutely no reason at all. I think this was open the last time I went in the shopping center, but I think they've closed it for good. I guess. Let's buy this one. It's right here right now. Oops! Didn't mean to press the button. You must go inside. Come to one.
No te apoyes la barbilla en la puñetera barandilla. Es que de verdad, el COVID, Joel, el COVID, tío, el COVID.
Aquí toca todo el mundo la boca, aquí se ponen las manos.
It's stressing me too much. I think this is a cable that's covering the indicator.
Martín, vamos.
Get off. I'm just coming.
Afterwards, we went to the cannibal outside outside of the shopping center on the above ground car park. So yeah. Afterwards, we ate. The four of us ate dinner at McDonald's, but there was just absolutely nothing much. Even though we entertained a lot in McDonald's, I was just getting absolutely bored. I was getting absolutely bored in the shopping center. Had nothing else to do, to be fair. And then we left home because I think it was like around 11 p.m. and at 12 a.m. the nighttime moving restrictions started at 12 a.m. Started at 12 a.m. at that time until January 6th. And it's now January 5th. And this is another day when my dad went to work. By the way, at the afternoon we went to the Arena Shopping Center, and literally that day was a return to the Arena Shopping Center after December 2019. Oh well, I just wanted to go to the Arena Shopping Center because I haven't even went to it in long time enough. So first to put my list, which is some really nice Schindler Euro lifts or 5400 EU, because this is actually the newer Euro lift, but it has VIMXP buttons with brilliant.
I know it's just been a really long time I've came back to the Arena Shopping Center. There's nothing of it has changed ever since the year it was opened, which was 2010. And it's like we all know -3 has been closed for ages, it's the main reason why I'm here, -2. Let's buy the lifts. Some really nice Schindler Euro lifts. There's a newer Schindler Euro lift model, I think. They work. They do work but they're busy for some reason. once again the left lift. ...2009 was supposed to say 2010. I know. Yep, it's officially open. This is a really nice. LOL. I guess for this tour from €2 lifts, but why not? Why not have €2 lifts for this tour? And the really longest video ever on YouTube. I think I should end right here, and I should end right here now. But yeah, there's a second floor which I was lucky to go up there in 2017. I guess that'll be it right here.
The next lift was the lift inside, which was an Abona architect, and when I came back on January 14th, it wasn't working. But at that time, in January 5th, Xàtiva was about.
I'm just gonna walk around the entire shopping centre. I'm going to the far end of it. This sanitizer dispenser doesn't work at all. I think these new Christmas decorations in the shopping centre are better than the ones in 2019. I think they are much better. I think they are much better than 2019 ones. This very huge Christmas tree is really nice. Let's just get this over. The reason why I'm walking the entire shopping centre is because I'm going to Xàtiva. This shop did not close down, which is Pull&Bear. It did not close down, but they might. Damn it. They even closed out as well. Damn it. So next time. Not today. I saw that. What's that it had to close? I know they let us go. Don't guess that'll be it for me. Let's try filming the list once again.
pequeño 2.
Get off.
¿Dónde va el hilo?
Where the travelators
Es en
are.
el 1, pone.
Where you can.
Here's an extra picture. I managed to take a take of the travelators of the Rock -3 floor. So it's now January 6th, the last day of my winter break. So in January 6th, I don't manage to film this, but the entire family is I am with the entire family in the Chinese in the Chinese restaurant near to my house in Valencia. Then nothing much else but we did nothing much else, but anyway, but we did nothing much else anyway. So yeah. Here we now end this video and roll the end credits, please.
Adiós, no he sido adicto a nada excepto al amor, ni porros, ni pastillas, ni alcohol, pero tengo un amigo idiota enganchado a algo bastante anormal. Todo empezó, notó que se ahogaba y se fue al doctor, le hizo la receta y ahí la cagó, pues mi colega ahora no puede dejarlo, se acaba de atrapar. Mi amigo es un adicto al broncodilatador, remedio para el asma que le recetó el doctor. Se pasa todo el día dándole al salbutamol y luego por la noche con el nebulizador. En caso de ocasiones se oye ruido del spray, lo pide la farmacia y se trastorna si no hay. Lo busca como un león por toda la ciudad, ansioso por lograr el orgasmo pulmonar. Y nenes, que no me entere yo que os engancháis a una mierda de estas, ¿eh? Mi amigo es un adicto al broncodilatador, es la adicción más cutre que en la vida he visto yo. La boca se le quema de tanto salbutamol, pero dice que el placer le supera ese dolor. Quiere sustituirlo por los caramelos Cold, sí, pero no es lo mismo el alivio que el frescor. Que esfuerce cada día por intentarlo dejar y renunciar valiente al orgasmo pulmonar. Mi amigo le pega al salbutamol a pesar de que el asma ya se le pasó, aspira y retiene, y se